That's how it's done, eh? Oh, Jesus.
Let's go, baby.
Yoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. What's going on there? Fucking, I don't know what you look like, a little alien or something. What are we doing, going to the waterfall?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh shit, yeah. Oh shit, yeah. Đó đóng giờ rồi. Oh, this kid's bringing us lunch. Thanks, buddy. What was that guy on about? Jesus! What's this guy doing?
Just about us, about who wants to go by bus.
Holy fuck, looked like he was kidnapping some kid, eh? It's just like pull over, grab the kid.
Wasn't here like right really fast and they catch the vehicle go up.
Really?
Quickly, yeah.
Holy fuck, look at him go. We got one of these mad cunts trying to slice us in half. Oh yeah. Oh, we got a fucking truck right up our ass. Yeah, hold your fucking horses. Look at this cunt. On the phone. Oh, fucking good one. I'm sorry guys, that whole no swearing deal's just not gonna happen. Not on the fucking roads of Vietnam, mate. One day I'll stop swearing. But it won't be any time fucking soon. Holy fuck. Oh, have a look at this. Oh, it's a nice postcard picture. Someone working the rice paddies. Look, jump! Oh, fuck! Hello? Hi, Joy. Hello! Kids are funny, eh? Yeah, fuck off. Hey? Oh, this is more like it. Serenity on the roads. Couple of cattle dogs.
Đi bom thấy Pongour là đi hướng này đúng không?
Come on.
Yep.
Hey, buddy. Hey. Should have brought some dog snacks. Smell that pine.
Good.
Here we are, people.
Yeah, you are
Hey.
Waterfall. Có. Hang on. Now we go to Pongour Waterfall. The way to go there. It's fun in here, baby.
Yeah, babe. It's fucking beautiful.
Pagoda.
Honey's got to go say her prayers. Don't you, babe? Pray for good health, fortune, and that this bridge doesn't collapse into the water. That'd just be a fucking disaster. Say a special prayer for me. Is everything going to be alright?
Yeah.
Phew. It's pretty cool. Smile for the camera.
E?
E?
See the waterfall over there?
That's what we're going to see, eh?
Yeah. Just go down, go down, go down. Go down, 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 down.
It's a pretty cool staircase, eh?
Uh-huh.
Marvellous. Absolutely fucking marvellous. This makes the journey here all worth it, doesn't it? It's that fucking hard to get here. Very few people want to come here. Let's do it. Fuck yeah. There's a little bridge down here. Let's fucking do it. You lead the way, eh? I don't know if that's a smart idea. Which way are we going? Okay. I'll show you. You want to get one foot here, and then the next there, and then the next there, and then you'll be able to climb.
Okay, you go first?
You go first. That way I can catch you. Come on, little monkey. Come on. Of course you can. On the road again. I'm just trekking down this same old road again. They're water buffalo.
Oh.
Yoy. This could take a while. How are you, cows?
Yeah, buffalo. This cow a buffalo.
Buffalo. Water buffalo.
Water buffalo. Look at the chocolate over there, baby.
Yeah, this truck will make him clear the lane. Doesn't even look like he's going to slow down, does he? Guess what? You're going to have to, buddy. Oh my fucking is. That's how it's done, eh? Oh, Jesus.
Let's go, baby.
What a buffalo! Up close and personal. Turning left. The road to LAT. Watch out for buses. Not just buses either. Fucking mad cunts in trucks. That's pretty cool, eh? Just the river running through the town and...
This is raining.
Eh?